Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping into something maybe a bit everyday, but actually super important: navigating a doctor's clinic in English.
Right.
We looked at a pretty simple conversation, some key phrases, and the mission really is to equip you with, the practical English for this kind of scenario, make it feel less overwhelming.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's funny, even these sort of simple chats, they show you a lot about, well, communication norms, politeness in English-speaking places.
Totally. So let's set the scene. We've got Amit Roy. He's checking in. Appointments at 10 a.m. with Dr. Mehra.
Oh,
And he walks up and says, hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Mehra at 10 a.m. Seems basic, right? But effective.
oh, definitely. It's
Yeah.
like super clear, gets right to the point. And, the sources mentioned this, that whole I have an appointment with pattern.
Yeah.
It's just so useful. You could use it booking a haircut, meeting someone at their office, all sorts of things. It really just states your business clearly.
Good point. Then the receptionist comes back with, sure, may I have your name, please? That may I, it feels quite deliberate.
It does, doesn't it? May I is just that bit softer, more polite, professional. It's not like barking name.
Right, not just name.
Yeah.
It shows that respect. You hear it a lot in those kinds of service interactions.
Absolutely. Standard practice, really.
Okay, so Amit gives his name. Then the response is, thank you, Mr. Roy. You're right on time. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you shortly. Let's unpack. You're right on time.
Yeah, that's a nice little phrase. It confirms he's punctual.
Mm-hmm.
And the sources gave those other options, too, like you're a little early or maybe this slightly more awkward, you're running late.
Yeah, nobody wants to hear that one. But knowing them helps you understand comments about timing.
Definitely. It covers the basis for punctuality.
Okay, next bit. The doctor will see you shortly. Shortly. That word can feel a bit vague sometimes.
It can, yeah.
Yeah.
It basically just means soon,
Yeah.
probably in the next few minutes, hopefully.
Hopefully.
But it's smart because it avoids giving a specific time they might not be able to stick to. It manages expectations kind of gently.
Right. Keeps things a little flexible for them without making you wait indefinitely. Well, usually.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
about managing that waiting room vibe.
Which leads perfectly to the next bit. Amit asks, how long is the wait? The question we're all thinking.
Oh, absolutely. And again, like the appointment phrase, this one's a real workhorse, isn't it?
How so?
Well, you can use how long is the wait anywhere. Waiting for food, waiting for a train, standing in any kind of queue.
True. Yeah, at a shop, customer service. Very useful.
Super versatile. And it's, a polite way to ask. Not too demanding.
So when we pull all these phrases together, the appointment one, the may I, the punctuality comments shortly, asking about the wait, what's the bigger picture here?
I think it's about how these seemingly small bits of language work together. They create this flow of, well, politeness, clarity.
Setting expectations, too.
Yes, exactly. Managing expectations. It's not just random words. It's like a little conversational dance. And honestly, getting these basics down, it just makes these situations feel way less stressful.
Yeah, smoother sailing. So for you listening, if you do find yourself needing to, say, check in for an appointment in English, really try using these. Don't just memorize them, use them.
Definitely. Practice is key. It's how they become natural, how you build that confidence.
And maybe a final thought to leave you with. Think about your own language or other languages you know. Do they have similar sort of basic structures for these everyday interactions?
Yeah.
For politeness, for getting information?
Ah, interesting. Comparing across languages like that.
Yeah, because understanding those fundamentals, those building blocks, it really helps build a stronger foundation for, well, communicating more broadly, doesn't it?
It really does. Gives you a deeper appreciation for how language works, actually.